like when we're swimming.
Yeah.
No, it smolders there till like December.
Yeah. We were swimming and we saw it start, remember? Yeah. He kept his fire going all winter, Mr. Sasquatch. Yeah, that's what happened. Wow, eh? It was surf.
I think that's how this place got so burnt.
Yeah, it is how this place got so burnt.
Look at this.
Look at what?
It was supposed to be.
I know, look at it. Look at the quartz through
I
here.
wonder what color this was.
Look at these boulders.
I wonder what color these were.
Well, I think they used to be green and now.
I don't know. Were they green?
I think so.
I don't know.
I think so.
Do you have one of the green on them? Kind
Wow, it looks like they used to be green.
But this one I think is brown.
Isn't that crazy?
They'll drop now.
Well, they're just going to shatter into all these different pieces. Be careful, they're sharp. They are sharp, look.
Yeah, they just keep shattering because how burnt they are.
They are, yep.
They're so burnt that they just, when you drop them, they just break.
They're so burnt.
They're so burnt that they just break.
Pretty cool.
You have to break them really hard though.
Yeah.
You have to drop them very hard for them to break.
Well, some of them you probably don't. Like, look at that one. You probably just push that one downhill and it would go. You should almost take a piece because it's pretty cool.
Cool looking.
Okay, careful with your boots. Like, look, this one has a green line in it.
Look.
Man, that's cool. And this one has green in it.
Watch this. I actually got on the boulders.
Okay, you be careful.
Look, you actually got on the boulders.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Look at that one. Phew. Just shattered. Shattered. Hey, how's your dreams these days? Shattered! It's not funny. It's not funny! Okay, you ready? Boots? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this one was one rock. And it busted into two.
This one?
Yeah, it was one. And then it cracked into two.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
That boulder's like making me
Oh, look at that
pretending like
green.
it's bull.
Ooh.
That boulder was pretending like it was bull.
Okay, we better motor,
So
motorowski.
from the front, it looks normal from the front.
Okay, so you can drive up the spar
So
here.
I'm on the front. It
You can go over there to the waterfall.
looks like it's on the front.
There's our
Looks like
beautiful
it's on
Bellacula
the
Mountains.
front.
We're way up valley though. Okay, let's get back in the
That's a cool
party finder.
size. It looks like there's rocks with it on the
Let's
front.
go find another party.
On the front, it looks like it's just with it on the front.
It looks like it didn't split it from the front. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did, kiddo. Look at that.
Slow down,
Coop rate. How are we supposed to know that? Well, look at man. All right, Wolf, let's get you in. And that's it. Ooh, this one's sparkly though. Watch. Wait.
Okay.
Hey, are you okay? What do you need? The vehicle's right here. Let's roll. Right here. Look at that log. Ooh,
Oh, that looks
man.
Can I sit on this? Let's see if we can sit on
Nope, nope. You'll get your butt really dirty. Let's not sit on those. Let's get you in the vehicle. Okay? Don't even have to roast these guys. What's that?